Hey guys! After I released my video tutorial on how to do a perm, I got a lot of questions about the special papers used for perms. The main question was whether the perm solution would soak through the paper and if the strand would end up dry. Perm papers are specially designed to make it easier to wrap hair on curlers during a perm. They do not prevent the solution from reaching the ends of the strand, even if you apply the solution to already wrapped hair. The paper is needed to gather the ends of a thinned strand and lay them as evenly as possible when wrapping. There are two ways to apply the paper to the strand. You can simply place the unfolded paper against the strand and start wrapping, or you can fold it lengthwise, place the ends of the thinned strand inside. This way, the paper will press from both sides, making it much easier to wrap the strand. The paper does not interfere with the solution's penetration because it is specially designed for this purpose. It is designed to absorb moisture. The inner layers of the wrapped strand may remain dry only if there is not enough solution applied. For short hair, you should use at least 80 grams of solution. For thick short hair, use 100 grams. If the hair is shoulder length, then use 120 to 140 grams, and for long hair, naturally, even more. Apply the solution drop by drop onto the hair wound on the curlers. Go over the hair several times, making sure to hit the hair and not the scalp. Saturate the hair until the solution runs out. During application, water mixed with leftover solution may be released. For this, use a special tray. Or drape a towel over the shoulders that absorbs moisture well. The liquid that collects in the tray is not excess solution, it is partially used solution plus water. Therefore, you shouldn't judge the product consumption by the amount of this liquid. After application, when half of the processing time has passed, unwind one curler. Check how quickly the curl is forming and make sure the ends are not dry. If the ends are dry, apply the solution again and correct your mistake in time. If you're interested in my secrets for chemical perming, leave a comment under this video.